How to log in to Wells Fargo credit card account. Now, in order to log in to Wells Fargo credit card, you just simply need to open your browser and then search for Wells Fargo. Then after that, this first link of wellsfargo.com will appear, and if you look under that, you will see the option of credit cards directly. Select credit cards option, and after selecting that, you will be in the website of creditcards.wellsfargo.com, and from here you just simply need to tap into this sign on button from top in order to get into your credit card account. Tap to sign on button and it will open this page where you just simply need to enter your username at first and password in second. Then if you want to save your login information in your browser, tap to this box. If you don't, just simply leave it as it was. Then tap to sign on button and you will successfully be logged in to your Wells Fargo credit card account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.